So today we've got a fridge door which seems to have collapsed. The door seems to be hitting the side and causing a few issues. Welcome to Dim Tips, the channel that repairs, revives and restores. Today we're going to be fixing this fridge door which seems to be snagging just across the left hand side. When you look at it, you can see all of these iron or steel small bits, and you can see that it's wonky and wobbly. So it looks like the pin that is there needs either replacing or adjusting. The first thing that you want to do for an integrated fridge is remove the cabinet door and simply pop open the cover, and there'll be two screws that you're able to see, and you can easily unscrew them. Now you can unscrew these ones or the ones by the lip, but either way what you want to do is unscrew them. At the same time, you probably want to hold the fridge door, because what you don't want is for everything to come crashing out. I should also mention it's worth taking everything out from the fridge, especially around the door, and turning it off just for a little while. Otherwise, you can just be wasting energy. And what you'll then be able to do is at least secure and move the cabinet door for the integrated unit out, and then you can actually take this off. Now the pin, if it has broken like that, should just wobble out, and you should be able to release the door itself, and then just gently pick it up and move it towards the side. What we're going to do next is we're going to have a look at the pin to see what we can do. Now the pin itself has left a lot of residue, and you can see that there's nothing actually securing it. There should be some kind of nut and a washer that's securing it. What you can do is you can look at your model of fridge and purchase one online. If not, sometimes you get away with using a standard nut. And what I wanted to do was, as a temporary resolution, stick in the temporary nut, load up the fridge door again, get it seated quite nicely without screwing it in, to give me enough position to allow me to then adjust and tighten the fridge. And it seemed like this standard nut seemed to work, so I didn't actually need to order a new bit. Now I've just made sure that it's seated well up to the actual pin. This is going to probably take a little bit of fumbling around in the background. If you can reach inside and hook it in so you can push the pin down, that would make your life a lot easier. And then I'm just going to get a spanner and then effectively tighten it. And that should then at least remove a lot of the wobble and a lot of the problems that you got with the door itself. Now there's me just quickly giving it a last tighten so that it's nice and secure. The door should be fine, and now you can swing it open and close it. This isn't the only way to resolve a fridge door. I will be loading up another video regarding other problems with fridge doors. Final bit, just because it's left a lot of residue, just want to use some multi-surface cleaner just to wipe down any of the residue left from the pin, which seems to have been busted and broken, and that should then take care of it. Gonna have another video, as I mentioned before, around resolving another fridge door issue, slightly different, but hopefully should help. Now the final steps are just adding back the cupboard itself, or for the integrated fridge, and same thing, just line everything up, screw it back into place, and then you should be good to go. Well, there's plenty of videos if you're interested on fixing and resolving general issues, or making and constructing things, just giving everyone the opportunity to resolve things just by themselves. Please feel free to check out any of the other videos, and please don't forget to subscribe.